Ay, ganun pala yun? Goes around? Kids.
You guys are too old. It says from 3 to 6. You're gonna break it.
Ay! Hindi makaya si DJ, hindi makaya ang
DJ,
bumalik.
you're hardly moving. What's going on?
Nakali yan dyan. You won't even bounce, ha? DJ. Hindi ba yan?
Yeah, those are maybe speedboats.
I think there's some people pitching there. Yeah. Live. I saw it live on TV. Because you know how they have the park there? They give up seconds and they start to and then the announcer was talking about, oh, there was a blah blah blah. And then there was a lady that saw the first time and she was surprised. And then all of a sudden second yes. So it was like live.
I was on my way to work. Yeah, I was.
So she got stranded.
Yeah,
My folks.
she was at a wedding. She was at a wedding and she.
Yeah, this is move.
Okay, now we can walk.
That's the boat that will take you to downtown. Right there.
Bravo.